Kay Rosel ba?
Yes, sir. Apat kayo, sir?
Apat po, dalawang dalawang lalaki. Mukha lalaki po isa diyan, mukha lang babae.
Itong may kunwari akong Koreano, sir. Okay lang. Hello.
Pero mas matibay ito.
Koreano pala siya.
예, 저는 한국스러웁니다. Yeah, I'm a Korean. Nice to meet you.
By the way, this is Rosel, this is this is Justin, and this is Kat.
반갑습니다.
They are also beautiful.
오, 반갑습니다.
Not obvious, but they are beautiful.
Nice to meet you. But I want to learn Tagalog. Can you teach me Tagalog?
Do it just.
Yeah, I want to learn Tagalog. You teach me Tagalog.
Just, anong pinaka-basic na pwedeng nating ituturo na Tagalog?
Maganda.
Basic Tagalog.
Maganda.
Maganda. Yeah, I know maganda.
Inuulan din maganda?
I know maganda. Beautiful, right? Yeah, maganda.
They are all maganda.
Yeah, they maganda. Yeah, they maganda. How about yeah, sexy.
Sexy? They are not sexy.
No, sexy.
They are not.
Sexy here.
I'm sexier more than... Yeah.
좋아요. 괜찮아요.
Yeah, that was a joke. They are all sexy. So what else do you want to learn?
Where are you going in Tagalog? Where are you going?
Where you going Tagalog?
Oh, yeah, how to say where you going in Tagalog?
Saan ka pupunta?
Yeah. Song?
Saan ka pupunta?
Punta.
Teka, bakit parang ako yung tatanong mo? Di ba ako yung... Teka, bakit parang ako yung tatanong mo? Di ba ako yung...
teach me. They should teach me.
Naintindihan niya ako.
Oo nga. What's your Korean name?
진짠.
What?
Chinchan?
진짠.
Chinchan?
야, 진짠 스.
Okay. So what's the meaning of this?
Huh?
What's the meaning of this?
안녕하세요.
Ito?
예, 안녕하세요.
Ito ibig sabihin yan?
어? No, I don't know. 안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeonghaseyo means
Hello.
haba naman, hilo lang pala.
But I'm originally from North.
North Korea?
Yeah. I
So-
escaped. Yeah, I escaped.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, before, when I was young. And go here. Want to build a business here.
Business?
Yeah.
So, how long have you been here in the Philippines?
3 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
That's why you know
Are
Tagalog.
you really Korean?
Yeah. Why? Curious, eh? You're curious,
I'm
eh?
curious with your
Curious.
face.
Pero,
Yeah, I
may
stay
pera
here
pa ako.
three years. That's why I look like Philippine. If you go Korea, you stay here 3 years, you will be looking like a Korean thing. The skin.
The skin and
Yeah.
the tone. So, paano yung malalaman kung Korean siya? Test nyo nga.
So, saan ka nag-aral? Hindi ko na po maalala. Sino si Chilbert?
That's my Filipino name. I have a Korean name. Yeah, I have a Philippine name. Yeah. Yeah.
But Korean name is Jin Chansu.
Yeah.
Chinchan.
Because that word from the north. That name is from the north.
Where's your ID?
Chinchan.
ID.
Identification. That's
In my house. In my house. In my house. My house.
What's the meaning of Arabuchi?
Hmm?
Arabuchi.
오 할아버지, you speak Korean? 야, 괜찮아요. 할아버지. Yeah.
What's the
Maybe
meaning
you watching a K-drama.
of... Yeah.
Yeah?
네.
Oh, you watching good drama.
They are Korean.
할아버지, 할머니, 야, 오빠, 형.
Oh, ano ka ngayon?
How about,
직진하세요. 직진하세요. 예.
괜찮아.
Go straight, go straight.
너무 좋아.
응? No, Korean, no Korean.
Hindi ko alam yun.
진행하세요. 회전 근처에서 운전입니다.
You live here on your own, or do you have family or a girlfriend? Some kind of girlfriend?
No girlfriend.
No girlfriend?
Yeah, no
So,
girlfriend.
how about these three ladies?
Justin only.
Looking for girl, go back Korea. I live together happily ever after.
So what's your preferred ideal girl? A Filipina or a Korean?
Filipina.
Filipina. Why?
Because you are talking with the Filipinos.
Yeah.
Obviously, you're saying you understand a little bit of Tagalog.
Yeah. kunti. Yeah, salamat po.
Kundi.
감사합니다. Salamat po.
Ang galing mo mag-Korean eh. Ang galing mo rin mag-Tagalog eh. Ako yung nagdududa ko. Kuya ka ba talaga mag-Tagalog eh?
Yung 한국 사람이에요. Yeah, turn right Tagalog.
What? Tunay in Tagalog? Kanan.
Oh yeah, kanan. Left is
Right is kanan. So turn right is, I don't know what is turn right in Tagalog. Kumaliwa, kumanan. Yan, kumanan. In Tagalog. Kanan is right. Turn right is kumanan.
200m 앞에서 좌회전입니다.
So, malapit na tayo.
You working, right? Working?
Yes.
Where?
좌회전입니다.
They're working in a bar.
뭐?
Then I picked them last night.
Oh my God!
I want 3, so
You joking?
no, I'm joking.
You serious?
We're going to my room in the hotel. So
Oh, that's why we go hotel.
oh yes,
Oh, 괜찮아.
3. I want 3.
정말요?
It's hard to choose, but I want them all.
Give me one.
No.
No?
You,
Only you?
you look for yourself. But this is already mine.
Very good. We're near, right? We're near?
Yes.
Where?
Alam ko dito yun, di ba? Yung left nito.
Here?
Century Park?
Diyan yun eh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Century Park.
Century Park.
Entrance.
Entrance.
Bakit? Yeah, that one.
Pasok tayo sa lobby. Pasok po tayo sa lobby, no?
No, I cannot understand.
Ayo! Baliktad!
Sabi na nga eh, kuya.
Ang galing na ako ngayon nako-confuse kasi sabi niya kanina magko-convert daw siyang Korean.
Pero tinignan namin yung...
Nung nagsasalita na siya, ako yung nako-confuse eh kung Korean ba talaga siya Pilipino eh.
Parang ikaw to isa sa biktima, sir?
Ako yung nasama sa biktima mo.
Grabe yung foreigner dito eh.
Drop off lang po.
Rap.
Apo.
Ako yung na-confuse
Dapat
eh.
binidyo natin si Kuya.
Dapat tinensyon niyo ako para mag-viral.
Oo nga!
Oo, para, di ba?
Hindi mo
Naghihintay
naman
lang ako.
sinabi nung umpisa, di sana na ano
Naghihintay lang ako may pasahero na mag-video sa akin. Eh. Malay mo, mag-viral, sisikat tayo. Okay.
Dapat pala ako yung gumawa nun, hindi ko mahilig sa ganun eh.
Pero yung accent medyo kuha mo. Oo, galing mo.
So, ibig sabihin, it's a... Ito, may kakwento ako sa inyo.
Bababa na kami.
Hindi, saglit lang ito. Napakasaglit lang. Actually, naka-video po tayo.
Oh my God!
Sabi na eh. So,
Ayan.
So,
I am a
namin
content
yan?
creator. Content creator po ako.
Oh!
okay, sige. Saan naman papanood, kuya?
Amazing! Kuya, dapat sinabi mo kanina, parang hindi na ako nahirapan.
Wait lang.
Okay,
Okay.
digital creator ka pala.
Opo. So, ang tanong, okay lang ba i-upload natin sa aking social media
Sure,
accounts?
why not?
Abangan namin yan.
Ayan.
Ano yung kasi
Si Sarah kasabot ko kanina. Parang siya
Kasabot ako pero no, in the middle of the conversation, ako pa yung na-confuse kung totoo bang...
Chinchansu.
Ah, Chinsu.
Nice meeting you, sir. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, thank you sir. Ingat kayo ha.
Ingat
Baka may
po.
shoutout kayo.
Pa?
Mga may shoutout kayo.
Shoutout sa aking anak.
Ayan.
Shoutout kay Sir June.
Shoutout sa akin!
Bye-bye po.
Ingat kayo. Thank you sir ha.
Thank you, sir.
Masaya mo kami doon ah.
May seminar, sir. Thank you.
Ingat sir. Ingat po. Natawa ko sir. Sabi ko sir eh. Sabi ko, kunwari akong Korean, buta ikaw natuloy na ano, napaprank. So it's Don Bertos TV, the Korean prankster and the great pretender na palaging nagsasabing, Oy, may next na tayo basero. I'm not the greatest prankster, but I'm the great. Ito na, may next na. Pupunta na ako dun, pretender.